Welcome back, guys, for another exciting show of Lost Antonio. Anyway, today's topic today is Ask Antonio. I got a message from Valerie. This is a great topic to talk about, actually. Ceiling mold in shower areas is very popular for some people. If you have a small bathroom and you don't have a lot of ventilation, you can develop a ceiling mold on the ceiling. And a lot of times we don't know why that happens, but generally it's because there's no ventilation up above. There's no ceiling fan, like we put one in here. This is a ventilation fan with a light combo. So there's no ventilation going on in the bathroom, basically. So you get that dampness on the ceiling, and that starts to create a surface mold, basically. Sometimes it can be a lot worse than that, and you have to take out all the drywall. So if it's just a mild case of surface mold, what I usually do is I clean the ceiling really good. They make some products on the market with a bleach in it, clean it real good. Generally put a really good primer on it, a good sealer primer for that sort of stuff. The paint store definitely can set you up with something for that. And then a really good coat of ceiling paint, which is kind of a mold resistant. And I think they make an additive as well that you could put in the paint for mold resistant as well. So there's a lot of cool stuff on the market that you guys can get. The other thing is, if you have really bad issues, you need to cut all the drywall out of there. Have your HVAC guy, contractor, put in a ventilation fan for the bathroom, vent it outside to the outside exterior of the house. And generally that takes care of the problem, unless you have a child in the house that likes to run the shower at 150 degrees Fahrenheit and you can't see yourself when you open up the door. So that really doesn't help either, So anyway, so you guys get the idea, right? So that's our segment today. You can do your research online for the products, but generally the paint stores have everything in stock that you guys need. They're super intelligent about those issues, and they can help you a lot through the process. So thanks a lot, guys. It's early, and we have a long day ahead of us, right, Taco? Right, Fabio? All right. We'll see. This is the end of our segment. Is this the end of the segment? And how do we end the segment? Okay. Hit the subscribe, and you gotta like us. All right. And there's also a little bell you can hit on the subscribe page, and that this way you'll get all of our videos. Okay. You guys won't miss any of the ridiculous videos that you guys get to watch. Okay. All right. Thumbs up. Pause up.